In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a navigation bar in Card. We'll build a clean, simple nav using only Card's built-in elements, so you can organize links across the top of your page without any code. Start by heading to Card and opening the page you want to edit in the builder. Once you're in the editor, look for the plus icon to add a new element. Click that, then choose Container. This container will hold the navigation so it stays neatly grouped and easy to position. With the container selected, open its settings and find the Type option. Switch the type to columns. This tells Card to split the container into multiple vertical sections, which is perfect for laying out a nav bar. Next, use the Add control to create the number of columns you need. For example, you might keep one column for spacing and one for the actual links, or use multiple columns to distribute items. Click Add as many times as necessary, and when you're happy with the layout, click Done to confirm the container setup. Now click the plus icon again to insert your navigation items. Choose Buttons. Card will drop in a Buttons element with a default button. In the button settings, use the Add option to create as many buttons as you need for your pages or sections. Keep your labels short and clear so they're easy to read at a glance. You can fine-tune styling and links afterward. With your button group ready, click and drag the Buttons element into the container you created earlier, placing it inside the column where you want your navigation to live. If you made multiple columns, drop the Buttons element into the one designated for links. You can drag to refine its position within the column until everything sits exactly where you want it. That's it. You've set up a navigation bar in Card using a container with columns and a Buttons element. From here, you can adjust spacing, alignment, and button text to match your design, and your nav will remain organized and easy to maintain.